G'day guys, Socket here. Today's video is a small extract from the Speaker Specs What Does It Mean tutorial. Just so you guys can find this topic easily if you're looking for it and not have to work your way through the whole 3 hour long main tutorial. So today's extract is all on mechanical resistance. Right, just to wrap up the whole speaker suspension piece, I just want to talk about mechanical resistance. Now, mechanical resistance is part of the speaker dampening and combines with electrical resistance. We'll talk about dampening once again later in the tutorial. But essentially, mechanical resistance, or RMS is the shorthand, is the amount of energy that's lost due to the resistance that the suspension has to flexing, friction that's going on in the spider, the air it needs to sort of drag back and forth, air in the magnetic gap and around the cone, things like that. All of these things have a dampening effect and work against the force of the motor, right? So if you think about it, if our spider and surround was infinitely flexible, right, and things moved without any friction, then you wouldn't have any mechanical resistance. But in the real world, surrounds and spiders require a certain amount of force to get them to flex. And there's a certain amount of friction in depending on your speaker design, and this is measured in mechanical resistance. And so you can find this once again on your data sheets. It's the term RMS, and you don't tend to really look at RMS when you're thinking about speaker suspension. It's more used when you're looking at the dampening factor of a speaker. So dampening is how quickly, if something's bouncing up and down, how quickly it stops bouncing up and down, right? But as I said, we'll come back to dampening a little later in the tutorial. So yeah, that's all about speaker suspension. So there you go, guys. Another short little extract. I hope you found that interesting. If you want to know more, feel free to go check out the main tutorial. I'll put the link down below in the comments for you. Once again, thanks guys so much for watching. If you've got any questions, pop them down below. Otherwise, I will catch you in the next episode.